Hello, everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformers. In this video, we are going to answer a common question: how far can AirPods be away from phone? Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. AirPods are wireless earbuds that connect to your phone via Bluetooth. The answer depends on which model of AirPods you have and what kind of environment you are in. Two factors affect the Bluetooth range of AirPods: the optimal range and the maximum range. The optimal range varies for different models of AirPods as follows. AirPods 1, less than 9 meters, 30 feet. AirPods 2, 9 to 18 meters, 30 to 60 feet. AirPods 3, 9 to 18 meters, 30 to 60 feet. AirPods Pro, 9 to 18 meters, 30 to 60 feet. AirPods Pro 2, 9 to 18 meters, 30 to 60 feet. AirPods Max, 9 to 18 meters, 30 to 60 feet. The maximum range also varies for different models of AirPods as follows. AirPods 1, 60 meters, 200 feet. AirPods 2, 280 meters, 800 feet. AirPods 3, 280 meters, 800 feet. AirPods Pro, 280 meters, 800 feet. AirPods Pro 2, 280 meters, 800 feet. AirPods Max, 280 meters, 800 feet. As you can see, the newer models of AirPods have a much longer maximum range than the older ones, thanks to the improved Bluetooth technology and the H1 chip. However, the optimal range remains the same for all models, as it is limited by the Bluetooth standard and the environmental factors. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.